everyone, and thank you for tuning in to Crafting with Sarah Jo. Today we're going to be making a craft with a Dollar Tree gift bag. Dollar Tree had so many great gift bags this year, so make sure you choose a nice one for this next craft. This is the Dollar Tree gift bag that I've purchased. Notice I selected a bag with big print and something that's easy to cut out, because you're going to get tired after a while. In fact, I was tired after cutting out this first letter right here. But that's just me. I really don't like cutting. Cutting can be so tedious and have to be so precise. Yeah, so I don't like cutting. But anyway, just make sure whatever you cut out, it is neat. You get as close as you can to the print without cutting it. Next, I traced my cutouts on a piece of cardboard, just some cardboard I had lying around in my garage. I am a craft hoarder, so anything that look like it can be used for a craft, I don't throw it away. So I used the cardboard. You're going to glue the cutouts on the cardboard, and you're going to do that because you don't want your cutouts to be flimsy when you're using them. For the next step, you're going to use your Mod Podge, your Elmer's glue. You can use a glue stick like I'm using here, anything but hot glue, because you want the surface to be flat, and that hot glue, when it's dry, it can make it kind of lumpy, so you want to avoid hot glue. I purchased these 4 picture frames from the Dollar Tree, $1.25 each. And basically what I did was just gut them all out. You take out the glass, you take out the paper, you take out the cardboard piece, and then you just glue them together. Once you have your frames all glued together, then you just kind of get an idea of where you want your cutouts to be. Once you have an idea where you want your cutouts to be placed, then you're going to glue them down as well, and here's your finished product. I love how this came out. It's very versatile. You can leave it lying down. You can use it and just put it on the wall. You can put it behind the Christmas tree, put it on the mantle, whatever your heart desires. Thank you for watching. Be safe and be blessed.